If x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial 2x² plus kx, then the value of k is what? Don't get scared just by looking at the question. Rather, start solving it. Let's see how we can do this in just a few simple steps. You see, we have the given polynomial as 2x² plus kx. And x plus 1 is one of its factor. Recalling the remainder theorem, we know that if there is a polynomial px and if it is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then p of x is equal to 0. So using this theorem, x plus 1 is the factor. That means x plus 1 should be equal to 0, which means x is equal to minus 1. And the theorem says that in this question, if we consider this x plus 1 as a factor of the given polynomial px, which is 2x² plus kx, then p of minus 1 must be equal to 0. What is p of minus 1? Now, if we take the value of x as minus 1, it means p of minus 1 is equal to 2 into minus 1 whole square plus k into minus 1. What we have done? We have simply taken this polynomial over here with the value of x as minus 1 substituted wherever we had x. And as per the remainder theorem, this must be equal to 0. Now we have got a very simple equation which we can solve, which is 2 into minus 1 whole square plus k into minus 1 is equal to 0, which means minus 1 whole square will become 1 and 2 into 1 is 2. Here we have plus k into minus 1, that gives us minus k, which is equal to 0. This means minus k is equal to minus 2. We have taken this 2 from LHS to RHS, thus its sign has changed. And now here this minus sign cancels out this minus sign. So we get k is equal to 2, which is our answer. See, it was easy. You just don't have to get scared. Do it. Believe me, StudyMare, not anymore.